Alright guys, grab your toolbox. It's time for a little upgrade to pumpkin.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
Hello? I got a package? Okay, I'll be up to pick it up. Yeah, I think that package is your new organizer for your chemicals and stuff.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, exciting. Now we can keep all that cleaning stuff that we use for the RV. Oh, I like the way you say it's my organizer. But it is my cleaning stuff.
Oh, I forgot to bring the stuff.
And we are staying at the campground. It's very nice. And this is during the COVID-19, which is, they're doing even taking it an extra step. They usually have a package and call you. And they've been sitting them out here by the bench. And you just come and get it.
I see your package on the floor. Since I didn't bring the things, I'll just do. Since I didn't bring our disinfectant with us, I'll just grab it with the gloves this time.
Because we've been wiping off the packages as we get them. Trying to stay healthy the best that we can.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Here we go. And hardware. Get this item wrapped. Like this will be pretty cool. And they taped that up pretty good. looks like that's for the driver's side. Get this one unpacked, and this one will be for the passenger side. Now that we have everything unboxed, we'll get on with the install. We have a driver's side and the passenger side, 4 quick locks, 4 washers, and 2 Allen bolts with lock washers. And some of this you may not use. It depends on if you use your stock hardware or the quick stuff. So get to it. The product is not a sponsored product, but it's by Fishbone Off-Road, and it's the JL 4-door Wrangler wheel well storage bins, FB 25100. All right, we wanted to show you what we have now. This is usually keep my wife's boots and her sweater on that side, and we keep her cleaning supplies that she likes to use and a little blanket over there on that side. So that's going to go up there, and this is going to go up here. We looked at the setup and we decided the factory bolts are like that, take up less space, so I think we're just going to go with the factory bolts, pop those out, put the new ones in, and this should be a pretty quick install. I'm just going to move this up here for a little more room, get this out of the way. In your Jeep toolkit, you get a Torx 40-bit, so you just need this Torx 40-bit. You can just come right up here, take this out, take this out, this just sits right up here. Put the whole, put that back in there, put that back in there. Ooh, be careful not to hit your window and cause you some breakage, but that fast. Got that side in. Now we can easily stick these boots back in here, get the sweater, fold it up, kind of roll it in a little ball. We can fix that and make it a little neater, but now those boots are in there. They're not going to go anywhere, and it's going to be nice and neat.
I use them for when we go jeeping.
So same thing on this side. Just pop this side open, pull this stuff out the way, do the same thing on the other side. That one out. That one out. Set this up in here. All right, done. Now, take our cleaning supplies.
I think we should give a little shout out for our cleaning.
Jack's Wax. We use Jack's Wax cleaning stuff.
Go to jackswax.com. Best stuff.
And then put our little cleaning supplies right in here.
Let's be perfect. I can just reach back there and get it.
And then we'll just stick the towels back in there with it.
I have my special towels I don't let him use.
And a little cleaning brush. And this is all my wife's stuff that she doesn't let me mess with.
that I try to use to keep our Jeep clean.
So we use our Jeep a lot, and we Jeep it hard. If you watch our videos, you know we Jeep this Jeep hard. So we'll just throw this stuff up in there, and
no more bag.
goodbye bag. All done. There, I took a little more time and rolled it up a little neater so it looks a little neater. So that'll fit in there like that. Now, here you can see all the products nice and in there. The stuff she used the most is that red top, which is the streak-free glass cleaner, and her towels, and then all their other detailing stuff. Nice and neat. Put the seat back. All done. If you notice when we were doing this side over here, you see we have a plug that is mounted right here. This is for our fridge freezer that we usually keep installed on this side of the Jeep right here. At this time it's inside the motorhome. And then you see that the factory plug that used to be located here, I cut out and put up top here, because when you go to plug in stuff in your vehicle, it's usually plugged in here, and with your fridge freezer in there, it's kind of in the way. This way, now you just plug that in there, and if you can see my light that I installed right there, now I can have that plugged up right there anytime I need it and not have to reach behind the refrigerator. So on, well, off and on. So that's another quick little hack. And the reason we installed this here is we just installed an Odyssey dual battery hookup. So I'll show you that up here. Here's our new Odyssey dual battery hookup. Hopefully the wind is not too bad, but you put in 2 class 25 batteries with the Odyssey dual battery tray. And we didn't do a video because the Odyssey video is fantastic, and we just followed that to do the install, so there was no use to doing another video for that. So that's our new additions to Pumpkin.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We'd like to thank you for following along, as we added a few little upgrades to Pumpkin and showed you some that we'd already done. If you have not subscribed yet, push that subscribe button, and then also push that bell notification so you can be notified when we upload new videos. We'd like to thank you for following along with Knowles Blessed Adventures. Please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.